Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI adoption is not exploding. What is exploding is AI buying. Most companies have purchased AI. Very few have actually adopted it in the way that changes how work gets done.
And that's why the market is starting to split. AI adoption is separating into three distinct models. If you want to understand who is creating value and who is just accumulating tools, you have to understand those three models. The first model is voluntary adoption. That's where employees in functions like product, marketing, analytics, and engineering start using AI because it helps them move faster.
In that phase, adoption is uneven. It depends on role fit, manager support, and whether the work is already digital enough for AI to slot in naturally. Then comes managed adoption. The company starts defining where AI belongs in the workflow, what good use looks like, and which tasks should now be done differently.
The third model is forced adoption. Here, AI use is no longer optional or loosely encouraged. It's tracked, measured, and increasingly tied to performance expectations.
That's when adoption becomes structurally real. Once usage affects reviews, advancement, or compensation, AI moves from experiment to operating standard.
The market map is just as uneven by industry. Technology and finance are out front, and professional services firms are accelerating as AI becomes part of knowledge work delivery. Healthcare, manufacturing, and government are moving more cautiously, while retail is still early.
The biggest misconception is thinking this is just a software deployment problem. It isn't. Real adoption means changing habits, decisions, and team norms so people consistently use AI to produce better outcomes, not just hold another license. Over the next 12 to 24 months, the gap will widen between AI native and AI resistant employees, and between companies that measure output and those that only license tools. The next talent advantage won't come from having access to AI. It'll come from people who can turn AI into performance, productivity, and real business outcomes. Follow us for more executive talent insights.